Hello everyone, in this video we're going to make this beautiful design using onion and other vegetables as well. Here we're going to make the flowers by cutting onion. You can take a turnip or any other fruit or vegetable in place of this. Now we are making the leaves by cutting the cucumber. So cut small pieces of it and put all of them around the flower like this. Hold it like we are doing here in this video, and you can put it like this. At the center we have put this cherry tomato, and look how beautiful this artwork is looking. Let's make this beautiful swan design using goat vegetable carving. Did you know vegetable carving and decorative vegetable arrangements have been practiced for centuries in different parts of the world, particularly in Asian countries, and now you can also do it at your home by learning. Here we are going to make small pieces like this. We are going to make the wings of the swan, so keep it like this. Now take different piece like this and carve the head of the swan. So take a very sharp knife, cut it like this, and look, it's done. Now put it on the top of the structure. You can also put it using this toothpick, dab it inside, and look, it's ready. So we're going to make this beautiful design. So make small pieces of this onion leaf. Take two pieces, put both of them together and put a toothpick at the center. Make this cross sign. You can take small piece of carrot or radish and put this cherry tomato together. Dab all of them using this stick, and look, your beautiful vegetable art is ready. Here we are going to cut this melon and peel out the skin like this. You will get this red color of fruit. Now using this knife we are going to cut small pieces and make this deep cut on the fruit like this. You will get this beautiful design at the end. You can see this heart shaped design. Now cut all of them and make small pieces out of it. After making the heart shape, put all of them like this, and look, you can use it in so many ways. Let's make this beautiful design. So make small pieces. You can take a turnip or dragon fruit in place of this. Put all of them together and dab a stick, and you will get this beautiful design. Now cut a small piece of radish and cherry tomato and place all of them together one after another, and look, your beautiful design is ready. Here we are going to make this design. So cut small piece and put a toothpick inside it and hold it like this and open all of them. Put a cherry tomato, and look, your beautiful star-shaped vegetable design is ready. Here we are going to dab all these fruits and vegetables together, and we are going to make a Christmas tree. These type of designs are perfect for the dining table during the Christmas night, and look, your fruit chart Christmas tree is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.